In today's hyper-connected world, businesses are constantly seeking ways to enhance their digital capabilities. One powerful tool that can help them achieve this is the WSO2 integration platform. WSO2 empowers organizations to seamlessly connect their applications, data, and devices, creating a unified digital ecosystem. This enables them to improve customer experiences, deliver personalized and engaging experiences across all touchpoints, accelerate innovation, quickly adapt to changing market demands, and launch new products and services, increase efficiency, automate processes, reduce costs, and improve operational agility, enhance security, protect sensitive data, and ensure compliance with industry regulations. WSO2's comprehensive suite of products includes API management, enables secure and scalable API management, empowering businesses to monetize their APIs and accelerate digital transformation. Integration connects disparate systems and data sources, enabling seamless data flow and business process orchestration. Identity and Access Management, IAM, provides secure and centralized identity management, ensuring that only authorized users can access sensitive data and applications. Analytics provides insights into API usage and performance, enabling businesses to optimize their digital services and make data-driven decisions. With WSO2, businesses can connect to any system, integrate with a wide range of technologies, including on-premises, cloud, and mobile. They can deploy anywhere. Choose from on-premises, cloud, or hybrid deployment options to suit their specific needs. Innovate faster. Leverage a flexible and extensible platform to quickly adapt to changing business requirements and reduce costs. Lower total cost of ownership with an open-source platform and a pay-as-you-go pricing model. WSO2 is the trusted choice for thousands of organizations worldwide, including Fortune 500 companies and government agencies. Unlock your digital transformation potential with WSO2.